Hello guys! Welcome to Wind Residences. So this is the tower 1, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and this one naman is the tower ABC, the full suites. ABC, yun na yung mga ready for occupancy units. And we have present dito, tower C and B for as low as 14,000 monthly for your 1-bedroom unit with balcony. Ayan, for more details and updates about this project, so this is at Tagaytay City. Perfect for investment, perfect for Airbnb business. So as low as 14,000. Hagip. So that's tower 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. RFO units na po tayo dyan. Wind Residences. That's the full suites tower A and B, RFO, and pre-selling units CS tower C, D, 40,000 monthly. Okay, that's the basket